positive report for Kenyans. We can now report that you may soon have a huge burden taken off your shoulder or shallow pocket as the high cost of maize flour comes down significantly. The government is reportedly working on a subsidy program to see maize flour prices fall to 100 shillings per 2 kg packet beginning next week. KTN's Brian George Otieno reports.
The subject of maize flour has been a matter of vicious contention nationally, even making the much-needed political fodder for the political class to score points with the electorate in this season. Various sides trading blows and blames on who should be responsible for the historical rise of unga, a Kenyan staple food that now fetches for not less than 210 Kenya shillings on retail. But thanks to a recent government intervention, the price of unga may as well reduce by at most 100 Kenya shillings after a subsidy program put in place to cushion the mwananchi from the important day-to-day consumer product.
This measure is intended to reduce the costs of maize that is coming into the country and therefore impact on the price of maize and unga that is increasing in our retailing points across the country. And I've said this is in addition to a measure we already authorized millers to import maize from which is duty-free, because duty on maize from the rest of the world also contribute to the high cost of maize.
Investigations conducted by KTN News and papers seen and signed by Agriculture PS Francis Owino, the recommended retail price for flour should not exceed 100 Kenya shillings for a 2 kg packet, 250 Kenya shillings for a 5 kg packet, and 490 for a 10 kg packet. In addition, the ministry will send representatives to the millers' premises and depots to verify proof of maize flour sales in the market in a bid to tighten surveillance and avoid cases of unscrupulous traders fleecing customers. A spot check in supermarkets in Nairobi town shows that there hasn't been a price change even after the directive, perhaps symbolizing the clearance of previous stock. With the directive taking effect Monday, traders will most likely effect next week with the next series of supply. Brian George Otieno, KTN News, Nairobi.